Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful stitch combination, which is an easy 2-row repeat. You'll have a row of double crochets and then a row of X stitches, and then you just repeat that. Today we're going to be using Yarn Bee Soft Secret in Biscuit, and you can get this yarn at Hobby Lobby. At least you used to be able to. I'm not really sure since they downsized their inventory. And also an H 5mm hook, but you can use any yarn that you want. I would just recommend using whatever hook size is listed on the label of your yarn. And this pattern would make a beautiful blanket or scarf, maybe even one of those rectangular wraps. And this is the front, and this is the back. Let me know in the comments below which one you like better, the front or the back. They're just slightly different, and I thought even if you turned it from this angle, it looked really nice too. I liked the vertical stripes. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so like I said before, it's a 2-row repeat, and for your foundation chain or your starting chain, you need a multiple of 2. For this example, we're just going to make a swatch, so we'll keep it kind of small. I'm going to chain 20. For row 1, we're going to skip 3 chains and work a double crochet into the 4th chain. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet. And now we're going to double crochet in every chain across. And if at any point I'm going too fast or too slow in any of my videos, in the description box are instructions on how to speed up or slow down any video to your preference. And I apologize if you can hear my sons upstairs. They're being very loud this morning. Alright, now we have our first row completed. For row 2, we're going to chain 3, turn our work, and this row is going to be a row of X stitches. Now they're not as hard as you might think, and we're going to do plenty of them in this demonstration. First of all, we're going to skip this stitch and this stitch, and we're going to work our first double crochet into this stitch. In order to make the X where we cross over the first one, we're going to yarn over. We're going to insert our hook into this center stitch that we skipped to where it comes out the back side. Grab your double crochet you made before to kind of pull it out of the way. hook the stitches that you inserted your hook through. Just kind of grab them with your hook and pull them through to where those stitches are on this side, so you can easily work into them. So from here you're going to yarn over, draw up a loop, and then finish your double crochet. And that creates the X stitch, and don't worry, we're going to do plenty more. For the next one, skip one stitch, work a double crochet into the next stitch, pull the double crochet apart so you have a nice wide space here, yarn over, insert your hook into the skipped stitch, hook those stitches and pull them back through, yarn over, pull through, finish your double crochet, 2 X stitches. Let's try that one more time. Skip this stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, pull them apart a little, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, hook those stitches and pull them back through so they're just sitting on this side of the double crochet, yarn over, draw up a loop, and finish your double crochet. So you're putting one stitch across the other stitch to form an X, and you'll continue that across the entire row. Skip one stitch, double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull back through, finish your double crochet. Skip one stitch, double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull back through, finish your double crochet. Skip one stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, pull it back through, finish your double crochet. For our last stitch, we're going to work just a double crochet in the top of this chain 3 turning chain. No X stitch. There's row 2. This is the front. This is the back. For row 3, chain 3, turn your work, skip this first stitch, and you're going to double crochet in every stitch across. And I'll speed up this process so you don't have to sit here and wait for me. If you need to pause the video to catch up if you're working along with me, feel free. And for the last stitch of this row, you're going to double crochet in the top of this chain 3 turning chain. And that's row 3. And you'd continue to repeat these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3, for the pattern for however big you'd like to make it. It's completely up to you. And you create such a beautiful fabric. I hope you've enjoyed today's quick stitch tutorial. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful day.